What's up you guys, my name is Joseph and today I'm going to be unboxing and giving away a Redact Racing remote control car. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you'll see when you open the box is the manual for the car. Got some spare parts in the back as well. Next is the actual car itself, a nice blue race car. And the last piece you see is the charger for it. It's an electric car. And the gun style remote. I'm going to be giving this car away to one of my subscribers. This car retails online for about 130 bucks. So as soon as we reach 130 subscribers, I'm going to randomly select one of you guys and ship it anywhere in the world. All you got to do is subscribe. Thank you guys and I'll see you in the next video.